Hi guys, my name is Iniya.
And my name is Thuya.
Today we're going to be making jello.
We're making strawberry flavor.
So Thuya is going to be opening one box and I'm also opening another box. The ingredients you'll be needing is 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup of cold water. And of course you'll be needing a plate to put it in and also with a spoon. And of course you'll be needing the jello. So first thing what we're going to do is open the jello.
Good morning, teacher.
Whoa, that's a lot.
You don't need one thing. You don't need 2 bags.
You can put one if you want to. When done, you can spin it around. Next, we're going to be adding the hot water. You want to do it?
Okay.
We have to keep on mixing until all the sugar is gone because then it'll be really, really hard to chew.
And all the globs of sugar. You need ice cube, it will dissolve better with hot water.
So we've been mixing it for a while now. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Now we're going to be adding ice cubes in. And now we're going to mix this for a bit now. We'll come back when we're all done. Okay, if you're wondering when it's ready, the ice is supposed to be dissolving. See, the ice is kind of dissolving by looking really, really tiny. And when it's tiny, it will be ready. And then when it's ready, we're going to be showing you what to do with the ice when we're done. But right now, we're going to keep on mixing. Okay guys, my brother's mixing right now, but I'm going to tell you that we're going to be uploading every Sunday with new foods to make or how to make them. Okay, so this is fully done because it's dissolved, like all these little pieces are dissolved properly. So we're going to put it in a cup because if you guys have any questions of how to make food, comment down below and we'll answer them. Or make a video of them. But right now, after when it's done mixing, it should be looking like this.
This guy's incorrigible.
Okay guys, so we got the spoon out and now we're going to put it in the refrigerator. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator. There we go. And now we have to put it in a line. We're going to put it on the fridge because it's nice. So I'm going to put it on for 4 hours. Okay, so now we're going to wait for 4 hours by cleaning up our mess or reading or something. And we'll come back after 4 hours.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, few moments later, few inches later, 12 seconds later.
That's a spicy meatball!
Okay guys, so it's been 4 hours, we have 1 minute left. But as you can see, it's almost 10 p.m. But this is how the jello looks. And yes, we had to test some, so we kind of ate a bit. So it's like, it's so jiggly. So Thuya will be getting us a spoon and we're going to be trying it. So yeah, this is my favorite part. As you can see, we scooped it. But yeah, we're going to scoop right in. Just eat it! Eat it!
Magic.
Wait, no. Okay guys, so we have to restart because it fell, but we're gonna be trying it. 3, 2, 1. I love it. You don't eat everything. Don't eat everything, please.
No!
But guys, I do recommend this. It does really taste really good.